Konnichiwa, you sexy bastards. It's time for an EDC update for the new month. I'll start off with the phone. So the phone is a iPhone 8. Oh shit! So I had to move dog walkers and the sun's in a weird position, casting a shadow over everything, so hopefully get a better picture now. Still a little windy here, but it's not as bad as it was in the other place. Anyway, stop babbling on. That's the iPhone 4S. It's got one of the portable battery charging packs that my brother also gave us when he gave us the phone. Looks like the battery's dead in this thing. Oh, it is. I've accidentally had it switched on overnight, so still half charged. Anyway, iPhone S4 with the portable battery charger thing. Next, multi-tool. I've changed to the Leatherman Wave. Nothing wrong with the rebar, but I don't like these things lying around in drawers gathering dust, so change them out every now and then. On top of that, this one's starting to get rust in places, which means it needs to be used, because that's the best way to get rid of rust. Knife. Trying to find the bloody pocket that's in. I've got a coat on and a hoodie, and I left the knife in the hoodie pocket, so it's a little harder to get out, but that's the knife. It's still the Higo no Kami. Flashlight is still the Olight SR2 Baton. Still one of the best flashlights available. At least that's my opinion. Pen changed back to the Maxpedition Decanther. Much nicer than the Spitcutter. Solid stainless steel. One of my favourite pens. Bandana is still the Head for Survival bandana. Friend gave us it 2 or 3 months ago. I'll have to put that in the pocket because it'll just blow away. Keys. Just have to get them off the belt first. I'm still using that really annoying D-ring carabiner thing that I got from a DIY store. It's annoying because it takes ages to get on and off. But like I said before, the harder it is to get off, the harder it is to get back, the harder it is to lose. And as far as the keys go, I've still got the little glow-in-the-dark thingamajigger if the camera wants to focus. Got the Give a shot. Oh, what the hell's this camera doing now? I really hate technology. Hey, give a shot. The Tops rape whistle. Still got the Ungle Bill slither grippers. And the Phoenix E01. And I've still got the Leatherman Squirt PS4. Oh, why won't you focus? That's the keys. Still got the Maxpedition TCP triangular coin pouch. Got the table flame butane lighter. And the Maxpedition CMC wallet, which I'll get into when I get back to the house. Don't want to lose anything in it. So I was going to show the bag in the fields, but the landowner came up to us with a shotgun and said I had to get off his property because he was busy hunting rabbits and pigeons. So fair enough. Didn't want to argue with the guy with the gun, even if it was just a loaded bird shot. Still blow your face off. Anyway, couldn't be bothered to look for another place, so I just came home. Finished the video off here in my room. Two things I forgot to show. The watch is still the Casio Edifice. And I've got the little button compass on there, not a button compass, the clip-on compass. And still the same self-defense ring. Don't think that'll ever change. And I'll go over the contents of the wallet and then I'll show the bag and end the video. So one of the things that's changed in here is I've got a Wallet Hero, which is a knockoff of the Wallet Ninja. I saw it in Londis for £1, so I thought I would give it a go. It's very thick and strong, very hard to bend. So it's probably made by the same people that do Wallet Ninja. Not that I've ever owned one of their products, I've never really had any desire to buy one. I just saw this for £1, thought, give it a go. I've tried the mobile phone stand, it doesn't work. So it's a bit of a gimmick, but besides that, everything else seems to work on it. It's just the same thing on both sides, except you've got an inch ruler here and a centimetre ruler here. Same nail puller, letter opener, box opener, screwdriver, can opener, peeler, which is something completely useless to me. There you go. Another screwdriver and another screwdriver. Seems okay, it's heavy, well made. That's replaced the top snap knife. I've got a Fresnel lens. And just the same little survival kit that I've always carried, same nano paracord. Got some lifeboat matches, fishing kit, ferro rod, sail needle, some flies for freshwater, and I've got some saltwater hooks, some 30-pound mono, signal mirror, P38 can opener, stuff I've already shown. And the same silver lucky coin, 1,000 yen, solid silver, celebrating the 1964 Tokyo Olympics. Never really believed in luck, but since my girlfriend gave us this, I've had better days since I've been carrying it than what I had before. I don't know why. Like I said, I never used to believe in luck, but kind of am now that I've been carrying this around. And it's just something that ties me to her. She's in a completely different country on the other end of the world, so nice to have something that she give us. Well, she gave us the Leatherman Wave as well, but I tend not to carry that all the time because I'm always frightened in case I break it. First aid kit, I've got butterfly strips, antiseptic wipes, knuckle bandages, band-aids with a bit of grass in them. Nothing's hygienic once you take it out of the packet anyway. And more skin tack wipes. And I thought I had an insect bite in here as well. Must have ran out of those. Oh well. Just have to replace that. And that is pretty much the wallet. I'll get into the bag now. So as far as the bag goes, it's still the Maxpedition Monsoon. I think it's coming up to 10, 11 years now, give or take 2 or 3 years. I still hate this bag, but I paid 150 quid for it, so I'm going to carry it until it breaks completely. It's fully broken in now. No real damage to it. A little bit of a thread fray in there, but that happened over a year ago and it hasn't worsened, so I'm not too worried about that. I can easily stitch it back up again if it does completely come apart. Yeah, it's a really good bag. I just hate it because the stupid teardrop design limits what you can put in it. But that's the only thing I really hate about it. That, and I paid £145 for it. But it's Max Edition, so it's expensive stuff anyway. But very hard wearing, NATO approved, so I've heard. Anyway, I'll just show you what's in it. So I won't go over the entire contents of the bag because nothing's really changed. These are the only newer items. The only thing I do not EDC is this. And there's only one reason why this is in the video, and that is just the same as the last EDC video I did. I am frankly really bored of people asking where the guns are. So this is just to satisfy those people's needs of seeing a gun in an EDC video. Like I say, I do not EDC this. I might do a separate video on this if you're into air guns. This is a really nice one. I've had it for a couple of years. I haven't had anything really to do with air guns in a couple of years anyway, so I think this was the last one that I bought. So I don't know if they still make this one anymore. But it's the Annex. Made by Annex for Umarex. And Annex is Russian, Umarex is German. And it's just a 4.5mm CO2 air pistol. Polymer frame. I think it's a steel slide, or it might be aluminium. Plastic shroud and a rifled stainless steel barrel. It's a really nice air pistol. I think Umarex are having a lot of quality control issues now, but this one's spot on. It's a 22 shot magazine, and the CO2 goes in there. Like I said, I'll do a separate video on this if anyone's interested in it. I won't go over it in this video. Besides that, well, not besides that because I don't carry that. I just hope that satisfied all of the people's gun needs. Gerber M600. Always carry a spare multi-tool. Spare flashlight. Phoenix TK12, and the last time I used this the batteries were running out, I think. Yeah, flashing means the batteries are dying. No big deal. And Exotac match cap with lifeboat matches in it. Try not to call them survival matches because I'm sick of everything being labelled survival and bushcraft. So lifeboat matches, just in case. And then mostly I like carrying cameras now. My dad used to be a professional wen photographer, and he still does a lot of landscape photography and things like that. But he stopped wen photography when digital cameras taken over, so he's got a ton of real cameras. And he's given me a few since he's retired. So this one's tiny little 35mm film camera, Minox. Very nice little camera. It's got an automatic setting, so it can adjust the light and everything for you. And all you do is set the range using these dials. So it goes from maximum of 3 feet, or the closest distance you can get is 3 feet. And then infinity for taking pictures of fields and whatnot. It's probably something the younger generation have never seen before, but there's no screen on the back. I've got my thumb over here because this is a label with my name and address on it. And I took the film out of this last night. You only get 35 shots, so you make them count. The film goes in there. Obviously I wouldn't take the back off if it had film in, because then you ruin it. It's a really nice little camera. It's made in Germany. Probably older than I am. So that's that one, and when I'm not carrying this one, I carry this one. And this one's an Olympus OM10 Also 35mm. This one you can either set manually or automatically. I can't remember what the B stands for. So that's on manual now. And you get automatic. Like I say, I can't remember what B stands for. This one's also got a thing with my name and address on it. But there you go. Something a bit different. I hear photography is starting to come back. No. Real photography, not digital photography. There's no skill in digital SLRs, I think. Well, you all know I hate technology anyway, so... Anyway, that is my EDC update for this month. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.